Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to talk about a product that was sent out to me by COMAN. This is a desktop tripod. So for a lot of my influencers out there or hopefuls that are looking to get started in live streaming, gaming, content creation, this could be an excellent tool for you to take a look at. This is going to be a great starter kit. Let's open the box and see exactly what comes in the box. All right, so we get a number of accessories that comes in this box. And each one of these accessories, guys, is going to make it possible for you to be able to create content using your phone and even possibly a action camera. So it comes with this little starter manual. You can read through this if you like. It does have an Arca Swiss plate. I'll show you guys how we use that here in a little bit. You get a tripod. Let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Now, this is the type of tripod that has a little hidden feature where the legs actually extend out an additional distance, which is going to make it easier for you to get this up higher if you want to. And then when you're ready to retract them, you just have push this little button in here and you can pop those right back in place, just like so. Now, these have these little rubberized pads right here on the end, and that's going to be great for making sure that it's not going to slide around on your desk. Now, this is plastic, but it is going to be more than enough for what you're going to need to support a phone. Now, here's the actual phone mount. As you guys can see here, this is all metal. You have rubberized pads at the top, the back, all around here. You have a cold shoe mount right here on the top. You have an additional cold shoe mount on the back. This is secured right here with bolts that you can use to loosen with the Allen key that's included with it. So you do get this little Allen key if you want to adjust this piece right here. Underneath here, you guys can see we have a normal 1/4-20. That's what we're going to use to mount here. But if you have an Arca Swiss tripod, this is just going to fit on here. There's your little Arca Swiss plate. You're just going to lock that guy down, and then you'll be able to mount this directly onto one of the Arca Swiss style tripods. That's really handy. Now, for most of us that are going to be using this, really simply, all you're going to do is attach this tripod to the base like so. Lock that in place, and then you'll be able to add your phone. Now, you can record with this in landscape or in portrait, because the head does rotate, as you guys see there. Now, that means if you want to do TikTok, Instagram, anything like that, you'll be able to do it this way. You can mount lights on both sides of this. I'll show you guys how that works. Landscape orientation. Let's just go ahead and throw a phone in here so we have some reference point. So here is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. You guys can see that's a very large phone, but it supports it no problem whatsoever. And like I said, if you wanted to rotate this, for instance, for a portrait, content creation, you might have to adjust it up just a little bit, but you guys get the idea. It's definitely going to work for that as well. I love the fact that this is all metal and it's going to sit properly on your desk. So if you're recording yourself or recording someone else, this is going to be an excellent tool for you guys to take a look at, because having stable video is one of the most important things when you're recording yourself. You don't want wobbly video, or if you're walking around. Now, you can use this as a blogging type of tripod as well, because you can actually hold this in your hand and you could walk around and blog with this as well. So that's another cool benefit to having something like this. So let's say we wanted to connect microphones to this guy. Again, you have your little cold shoe mount right here. You can mount lights on here. So many different things you can mount on this. So let's just equip this up real quick and add some other accessories to this rig. The way I would use this if I was starting out and I wanted to, equip my phone. So if you're using one of these small compact lights, most of them are going to have a 1/4-20 underneath or off to the side. You will need something like an additional ball head mount. So all you would have to do is attach your light like so to this, adjust the head so it's upright, and then now you can take this and mount this directly into this cold shoe lock that guy down, and you're ready to go. So that means you'll be able to easily set your phone up for success. Okay, so that's in a normal landscape orientation. You can do the exact same thing in portrait, but the advantage to doing it in portrait is that you can actually put 2 lights on this if that's something you want to do, because you'll have 2 of the cold shoe mounts available to you. You'll be able to mount that receiver right here in that little cold shoe mount positioning, and then you could then plug that directly into your phone. So in a nutshell, guys, you have a lot of options when it comes to using something like this. There's no excuses anymore for starting content creation or live streaming or whatever it is that you have, in your mind that you want to do here in 2025. Definitely take a look at this little tripod. I think it's going to be excellent for a lot of people to get started. If I was starting all over again, this would be something that I would definitely have on my radar. So definitely give this a look, guys. I can't think of anything off the top of my head that I would want to add to this that would improve this. I think this is a great unit right out of the box. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Hopefully this video has been helpful to some of my friends out there who are just getting started in content creation. This is going to be an excellent tool for you. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.